Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's lesson, I will teach you about the verbs that ends with ieren. These are special verbs. It's a proper group. It's a separate family, separate group of the verbs that functions in a different manner. So we learn how does these verbs works in the present tense and how do we use them in the perfect tense, present tense and perfect tense. As you can see here on the screen, on the board, I have written few verbs and the meaning is very clear. If you read properly, you can easily understand the meaning of these verbs. This is the beauty of such verbs, and you can also formulate such kind of other verbs. So first verb is reparieren. Reparieren, you can see the ending eren. Telefonieren, funktionieren, informieren, visualisieren, blockieren. The meaning is self-explanatory. Reparieren means to repair. Telefonieren to telephone. Funktionieren to function. Okay, in a functional manner. Informieren to inform. Visualisieren to visualize something. And blockieren to block. Okay, you block someone on WhatsApp. You block somebody's email address. That is blockieren. So these are the verbs. In present tense, we use these verbs as it is, and the important thing is that these are all accusative verbs. The first thing is these are all accusative verbs. These are all accusative verbs. Okay, these verbs are accusative. Means if I make a sentence like I inform you, so the sentence will be ich informiere dich, or formal ich informiere sie. This is the beauty of such sentence. Okay, you can easily identify and there is no problem in making the sentence because these verbs are accusative. Such kind of other verbs that ends with ieren. These are all accusative verbs. I write few examples like ich informiere dich or sie. This is my sentence. Ich informiere dich or ich informiere sie. That means I inform you. Formally, sie, informal, dich. So this is accusative sentence. It is my subject and this is my verb and this is my accusative object. So this object is accusative because these verbs are accusative verbs. I repeat, these verbs are accusative and the use is very comfortable. And these are also known as regular verbs. This is the second fact. These are all regular verbs. The first fact is these are accusative verbs. Second fact, these are all regular verbs. What does it mean? It means when we make perfect tense, when we use these verbs in the past, these verbs end with T and helping verb is haben always. Helping verb is haben. Let's say one example. I repair, or the mechanic has repaired my car yesterday. The mechanic has repaired my car yesterday. So the sentence will be der Mechaniker hat mein Auto gestern repariert. Gestern repariert. So if you see the sentence, this is the perfect tense as I say, and the helping verb is haben, and the perfect end with T. There is no GE prefix like normally in the perfect tense we write GE prefix like gemacht, gelesen, gelernt, gearbeitet, gespielt, etc. But here no GE prefix and verb end with T. And helping verb, Hilfsverb is always haben. Mechaniker is singular, so hat. If it's plural, haben. So this is the very good fact about these verbs. Regular verbs because T ending in the perfect and no GE prefix. Another fact you can say helping verb is Hilfsverb, always haben. Hilfsverb, helping verb is always haben. So this is regular verbs. These are the few facts about these verbs, such kind of verbs. If you know some other verbs, please write below in the comment section so that other students can also learn. So that's all in this video. If you find this video interesting and informative, do leave your comment below in the section. Keep learning German, keep learning with me. Bye bye, take care.